There you guys are. Been looking for you all around the Heartlands, man. Alright. Alright. Word has it, there's a train coming by soon. There's a lot of good, precious cargo on that train.
Like what?
Alright. Like gold. And like, I'm pretty sure there's a fairly good amount of ammunition there too. I say we wait until the perfect time. And we jump onto the train, take it over, stop it in the middle of nowhere, and steal what's on it and get out of there.
Sounds like a good idea.
I know.
What do you think, Hayden?
Right. The only problem is there
no
might
complaints.
be bandits trying to get it with us. So we gotta beat them to it, alright? I say it's best we get on the move before it turns nighttime.
Alrighty. Alright, let's get it.
Coming.
Alright,
It's
y'all
about
got your
time.
mask on?
Hold on, I gotta put my mask up.
Alright, everybody get on your horses. Wait. Alright, let's go.
Better be some major fucking loot on this train. Drag out my ass all the way out here to Armadillo.
It should be good. We're gonna wait,
It's
we're gonna
alright,
jump on the
man.
back.
I swear. Alright. Get your revolvers out. It's time to take this baby over.
I got my shotgun.
How? Not gonna question.
What, you can't have a shotgun on a train? Is that illegal?
Hurry up,
Well, I
we're
guess it
running
is,
low on
but-
time. It's not time to fucking argue.
Stupid bitch.
I'll take
Aiden,
control
go
of the
take out-
train.
Yeah, go take the conductor. We're gonna go through these boxes. Hurry up. Alright, Caden, start digging in the boxes.
Damn, these boxes look old and shitty. There's nothing in them.
Hey, bucko. Get out of here. Get the fuck out of my train.
Caden, you good back there? Caden. Oh shit!
Put your hands in the air. Stop!
Alright, you got me.
Come out.
Got me.
I am a U.S. federal marshal. Now drop the weapon
Alright, no.
and get on your knee. Maybe it's the first turn. Fuck.
Shit. Caden's down. Sam's down. I gotta get the fuck out of here. I gotta take this train up. Come on. Get on.
If you choose the other option, you'll have your head blown off by Nitro Express rounds out of my elephant rifle.
Let me take this thing somewhere more pleasant. Then we can talk.
No. Get
Sir, that's
out
not an option.
of the driver's seat.
Why the hell did you toss him off? He can get away now, damn it! Call the horses! You fucking idiot! Who the fuck made you a sheriff, you dumbass?
Where the fuck is he gonna go?
Gone? He has a horse, you don't see that? You're not gonna outrun this baby. He's of the Arabian species.
You gotta lasso him.
Oh shit! Ow! I'm down! Yeah, I'll be fine. Keep going ahead. I'll catch up.
I can't, cause Cribs told me to slow down. These must be the tracks of Dickless Craig. This horse went this way. Dickless Craig, you can run, but you cannot hide.
Shit.
I think I hit him.
God damn it, Greg.
Remember, this is not a kill. This is a capture mission.
Alright. You keep them distracted. I'll get them with the lasso, okay?
Yes, sir. Tell me when and I'll take the shot on this horse.
Take the shot when you deem it necessary.
There's only one
Well,
way
you
out.
got a little
of this.
faster.
Tell my mama I was always a good kid.
Where's he going?
Don't jump off. Don't jump off. We gotta
Greg!
lasso him before he gets off.
Craig!
Greg,
Wait!
stop!
Wait.
Yeah, looks like a suicide. His neck's broke. It's the pulse. Alright, let's load him on the horse. Might as well give him a proper burial. Alright, let's get going.